Baking soda can stop ant trails when used correctly and monitored closely. Use a targeted application technique that places a thin line or small piles of dry baking soda where ants travel, focusing on entry points such as gaps around windows, door frames, and where utility lines enter the house. Combine baking soda with a tiny amount of powdered sugar only if ants will take it back to the nest, because sugar attracts them while baking soda disrupts their digestion. Mix 1 part sugar to 3 parts baking soda and test a small bait station to confirm uptake. Keep treated areas dry and avoid vacuuming or sweeping the powder away for at least 48 hours to allow for maximum ant contact and potential transfer back to the colony. Monitor placement daily and refresh applications after rain, heavy cleaning, or if you see the powder disturbed, and rotate placement to new trails that appear since ants change routes. For interior infestations, seal obvious entry points after you see reduction in traffic to prevent reintroduction from outside sources. Use caulk in hairline gaps and weather stripping for doors. If you do not observe reduction in ant activity after 7 to 10 days, escalate to combined strategies such as baiting with commercially available ant baits labeled for your ant type, or consult a pest professional for species-specific controls. Homeowners commonly misapply baking soda by scattering large quantities that simply make a mess and do not increase effectiveness, so apply small, focused amounts and keep them dry. Another frequent issue is assuming all ants will ingest baits when many species forage for grease or proteins, so identify whether workers are attracted to sweet versus protein baits before relying solely on baking soda mixes. People also expect immediate disappearance and stop monitoring, which can miss reinfestation from satellite nests. Continue daily checks for at least 2 weeks and follow up with fresh applications or different baits if activity persists. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to share practical project guidance related to pest control and many other home tasks. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we exchange experiences, ask questions, and help each other refine methods so both homeowners and contractors can find useful leads and real-world feedback.